Whether you're a commercial real estate agent, a residential real estate agent, or you're building your own portfolio of real estate, SmartSuite has a variety of solutions to make it easy to manage your business. Hi, I'm Dan Lehman from AutomationHelpers.com, a SmartSuite implementation partner. One of the best ways to get started with SmartSuite is with their solution templates. From my workspace, I can click on Add New Solution, start with Template. I can scroll down and find the real estate category, and we can see there's a variety of different solution templates available to us, and we can choose the right ones that meet the needs of our business. If I'm a commercial real estate agent, the CRE transactions template is a good choice for us. We can track all of the different properties that we're looking at, keep profiles on each of our clients and their preferences and which kind of properties that they're looking for, track all of our interactions as a CRM to be able to see what our clients are looking for and how often we're contacting them, and keep a log of all of our different transactions in progress and as they close. Perhaps we're building multiple portfolios of real estate, and so we have our CRE portfolio here. This is similar to the other solution, but we're able to track all of our deals that are happening so that we can find the right investors that we need on a given project. We've got our properties, and maybe we have different staffing that we need to interact for those properties as we maintain them. One of the things I really like about SmartSuite is the ability to look at data in different ways. So in this case, maybe we're looking at our properties from a grid view and we can see all of this information about it. But we could drop down here and look at our properties in a gallery view here and see the different images associated with each. Or we could look at a Kanban and see the different statuses of where we're currently at on a particular deal. Or we could look at this geographically on a map and look at all the properties, be able to click on an individual property, expand that record so that we can see all of the information about the property we're transacting on. If you're in residential real estate, there's a solution just for you. We're able to track those properties, all of our activities with our clients that we're working with, our contacts, and transactions as we're working through them. If we're managing our own residential real estate portfolio, we can see all of the different properties that we have, the units that are currently available and which ones are leased out to our tenants, profiles on each of our tenants and new applications as they come in. We can also track maintenance requests as they come in. So this can be a really comprehensive solution for managing all of the aspects of our property management. And we can see all of the different documents here that we need to track against our individual tenants as well. Regardless of your real estate needs, SmartSuite has you covered. To get started, click on that Add New Solution, start with a template, scroll down from here and choose Real Estate, and find the solutions that work best for your business.